Hello, welcome back. All right, let's take a look. We're on, 1 second, sorry. Page 194, chapter 4 lesson, or excuse me, the chapter 4 test review. Okay, let's go ahead and get started on number 5. A park guide plans the swan boat rides for 40 people. Okay, that's important information. Each boat can carry 6 people at a time. What is the best way to interpret the remainder in this situation so that everyone gets a ride? So, first boat goes, that carries 6 people. Next boat goes, that carries another 6 people. Third boat goes, another 6 people. Fourth boat goes, another 6 people. Fifth boat goes, another 6 people. And remember, we need 40 people to go. So far we've gotten 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 people have gone so far. Another boat goes, that's another 6 people. Now we're up to 36. So can another 6 people go? Well, we only have 40 people and we're up to 36. So if we add 6 more, we'll be at 42 people. So 42 people aren't going. So this was 1 boat ride, 2 boat rides with, remember, first boat goes with 6 people, second boat goes with 6 people, third boat goes with 6 people, fourth boat goes with 6 people, the fifth boat goes with 6 people, the sixth boat goes with 6 people. Now there's going to be a remainder of 4, which that 4 though is representing 4 people left behind. So is another boat going to go? Yeah. The 7th boat is going to go, but that boat's only going to have 4 people on it. So in this case, the remainder would have been 4. So the answer to this division problem, if we were just doing simply the calculation, 40 divided by 6, well, that's going to give us 6, remainder 4. But really the question I wanted to know is, for this particular problem, since we're dealing with people, how do we interpret this remainder? Well, those are 4 people that are left behind, so we're actually going to have to take 7 boat rides. So the way we interpret the remainder is we use it to add 1 to the quotient. Oh my goodness, it's so hard to write with just my mouse. My pen tab is still not working. Okay, so we add, in this case, the way we interpret the remainder is we add 1 to the quotient. So instead of saying the answer is 6, remainder 4, for this particular problem, the answer would be 7 boat rides. We got to add 1 to that quotient of 6. Because we're not going to leave those 4 people behind. We want them to go on a ride too. The only difference is that 7th boat ride right here is only going to have 4 people on the boat instead of 6 like all the other rides. All right, number 6, same idea. Basically, really what we're doing is interpreting the remainder. So he has 88 toy cars in boxes. Each box holds 9 cars. How many boxes does Nolan need to store all of his cars? So any remainder you have for this problem, for number 6, you're not going to leave it as a remainder. You're going to do the same thing and add 1 to the quotient. You're going to need another box. Even if that last box only has 1 of his toy cars in it, he's not going to leave that car behind. He's not going to cut that car in half. You don't want to cut the boxes apart. So again, this is basically an interpret the remainder problem where the number of boxes to get the final answer, you take, if there's any remainder at all on this one, you have to add 1 to the quotient and leave the remainder off. Okay? Again, if you have any questions about this, don't hesitate to raise your hand. All right, thanks again for watching. I'll see you on the next video.